Hope you're waxing strong, guys. Be strong in the Lord and in the power of His might. Just want to take out some time to thank all of you, my subscribers. Thank you guys for the views and thank you guys for the subscriptions. Guys, if you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And to my already subscribed family, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for very good content, guys. Subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload. So guys, we're going to be making a very simple recipe of puff puff for first timers. If you're a beginner puff puff maker, guys, this is the best recipe for you. Let's dive into the recipe. First thing will be to get approximately a cup of lukewarm water. Add 2 teaspoons of yeast. 1, 2. Mix everything up. Cover this up with a cloth and let this sit in a warm position for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. See you all later. So guys, our yeast water mixture is ready, well bloomed, and the next thing will be to get a bowl. Put 2 cups of all-purpose flour in the bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Add about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix everything up. Add your yeast water mixture now. Mix everything up. Add it in stages. So this is the last stage. Mix. So I'm going to stop at this stage and use my hands. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. Look at the texture. Cover this up with a piece of cloth and set this in a warm area in the kitchen. Let this sit for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes in a warm area in the kitchen. See you guys later. Unveiling our batter, guys. So this is what we obtained. And we are going to commence frying. I'm going to show you guys how to fry. So this is it. It's very easy. Gather the butter into your palm like this. Squeeze it through your thumb and index finger like this. And then drop into the oil. It's very easy. And then you drop it into the oil. Gather butter, squeeze in between your thumb and index finger like this. When it pops out, you drop. Very easy. Continue to fry till golden brown. As I said earlier, always move your puff puff around so it doesn't get burned. Guys, how do you like your puff puff? I love mine crispy. Fry until golden brown, guys. Beautiful. Transfer this on a paper towel.